mean, my toes are meant to be et up. Big up Lasco. Who knew that Lasco could be used for a pedicure? Big up. Hey guys, have you ever had a Lasco or a milk pedicure in Jamaica? Yeah, it sounds a bit weird, but just stay with me. Stay with me. Okay, so I really want to go to Sumfest. Sumfest is coming up, and I really want to go to Sumfest because Vibes Cartel will be there. So, in making it a reality, I said, okay, then I need to start prepping for Sumfest. Right, so I'm making a trip out of it. So I'm doing a lot of self-care. So I saw this store on Fresher. I don't know if you guys know about Fresher, but it's in Jamaica. You can find salons if you want to get your hair done, your nails done, whatever. So I found Fresher online, and about a month ago I found this salon. They're called Susan's Body Care. I'll put their poster right here. I found them and I went to them and I did a facial. 10 out of 10. Like, the facial was so good, and they did extraction. Hopefully I'm going to try to insert some videos of it, right? They did extractions. They did a massage. Oil massage. 10 out of 10. I'm not exaggerating. I will run a joke, but I'll never tell a lie. 10 out of 10. And I also got a pedicure done because I had a special going on. And the pedicure was a chocolate pedicure. And I was like, I kind of like this place because they're like, you know. I mean, my toes are meant to be et up. My toes are meant to be et up. Anyways,